Hi, I'm John. Welcome back to Dice Paper Miniatures. Well, what have we here? A new Warhammer Underworlds and Harrow Deep, like literally just came out, I feel like, last month. So we're now getting a preview for the Nethermaze. Let's check it out. Well, this was definitely a surprise. I did not see anything get posted to the Warhammer community website yet, but I got an email update. And I was like, what's this? Well, here it is. Warhammer Underworlds Nethermaze. So it says you follow the path through the shadows with the steely heart. Today is your reward, as all is revealed. And I thought they were just doing like an elaborate, we didn't have anything to show you. We're just going to show some concept art for the last few days for something for just like a Skaven based Harrow's Deep expansion, which I thought was kind of unnecessary. But yeah, I was completely wrong, clearly. So behold Warhammer Underworlds Nethermaze, the new box set for Warhammer Underworlds. All right, so let's check this out. Wow. All right. Skaven obviously was going to happen, but I was not expecting the other warband. These are Shadow. I'm trying to remember if these were called the Shadow Stalkers from the Catacombs box set for Warcry. Shadow something. These sculpts look badass. All right. Yeah, those are sweet. All right, let's keep on going. All right, so this box set, Shadeborn, that's it. All right, so this box set contains two new warbands drawn to the nexus of the Nethermaze. The Shadeborn, whom Morathi has sent out to cut out the hearts of the traitorous Queen Catan, and Skittershank's Clawpack. You have to say that word carefully. Who seek a new source of penumbral power for the clan's Eshin. So Shadeborn, not Shadowstalkers. Well, you know, you got what I meant, more or less. All right. So a whole new box set. Man, this must just be because the pandemic screwed up everything. So we still have an expansion for Harrow Deep as well. The Exiled Dead was just previewed from the Adepticon live show, like just 3 or 4 weeks ago. Okay. I mean, I'm not complaining. It's a sweet game, and the models for this game are always awesome, especially since you can pull some double duty with Age of Sigmar, or I guess that'd be triple duty, Age of Sigmar and Warcry. So it also comes with everything you need to jump right into a game of Warhammer Underworlds, including 2 boards, dice, tokens, and a 52-page rulebook that includes all the lore about a labyrinth that sees with malicious intent. The Nethermaze, which is, I like that name way more than Harrow Deep, I gotta be honest. Constructed by mysterious and ancient architects, is a powerful wellspring of dark energy and the perfect lure for the clan's Eshin. It has also drawn elven seditionists, whose transgressions did not go unnoticed by Morathi. She sent a crew of shadowy assassins to snuff out this nascent rebellion. Enter Skittershank's Clawpack and the Shadeborn. Yeah, awesome. Led by the enterprising young assassin, Slink Skittershank, Skittershank's Clawpack are fast and fragile, deadly assassins who all move a speedy 5 hexes. Nice, okay. If they control the pace of the match, they will run rings around an enemy warband. The act of killing the enemy leader is the inspire condition for the whole warband. Okay. Who then descend on the remaining foes with newfound confidence, looking stylish while doing so. Yeah, let's take a look at these. I love these dynamic sculpts. And I'm actually sculpting some smoke effects, and I struggled to find some examples in the GW line, and here we go. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I don't play Skaven typically, but I've always liked the look of the models. So these are super cool. As a newborn god queen hungering for yet more power, Morathi-Khaine covets the dark energies of the Liar's Moon. Her operatives are the Shadeborn, adherents of the Shadow Arts. These fighters use the shade of cover to maneuver around their enemies, receiving buffs and ambushing unwary opponents. Their leader, the Shroud Queen Slithel, is so attuned to the darkness that she can even flitter between cover unseen. The Shadeborn's bloodlust brings them great pleasure in their task, and their fighters inspire if they attack an enemy fighter who is already wounded, taking delight in the inflicting agony. That inspire mechanic sounds way better than the other one. Just saying. Okay. These are cool. I thought these were really sweet sculpts when the Warcry version of them was out for Catacombs, but yeah, these fit right in with those. These are awesome. I'll admit, this pose, I think this is probably the leader. It's a little wonky, but the rest of these I'm digging, especially the crossbow guy. Even in the Warcry set, the crossbow guy was cool too. So, and that's a great pose. All right, so there are more new rules on the way. 2 new keywords, map and domain, arrive on cards included in the box set. One lets you gamble for glory, and the other lets you change the surroundings of this sunken maze to your advantage. We'll be going into detail on these new rules and warbands in due course. All right. But what about the lore of Nethermaze? You may be as lost as the warbands entombed in this deepest of abulettes. The Nethermaze rests below Hollowdeep, acting as a twisted inversion where reality bends to the whim of its shadowy masters. These mysterious entities were born from the ore of Duplicita. Sure, we'll say Duplicita. Yeah, that sounds good enough. Also known as the Liar's Moon, a crucible of dark energies on the outer rim of Ulgu. That works. This power is used to attract mighty warriors into the shifting labyrinth, so that its masters may feed off their fear. But there is a deeper, even more sinister purpose to this diabolic construction. Those who fight through to the end have the chance to escape through the Waking Gate into Hysh, but the cost of leaving is higher than perhaps any of them might imagine. All right, so it says it's going to be available here, I air quote, soon. Yeah, these are great. Very unexpected, very well done models. The leader for the Shadeborn, meh. The rest of the Shadeborn, though, look pretty good. As far as Skittershanks, I think all of these look great. Yeah. So I'd say like a 10 out of 10 for the Skaven, and like a 8 or 9 out of 10 for the Shadeborn. But here it is. What do you all think? I mean, this is... I feel like we just started with Hollowdeep, and now we have Nethermaze. So, I think I have a little bit of whiplash on this one. But that's just my initial reaction. Looks cool. Very surprised this is a new box set already. But yeah, what do you think? Please comment below. And if you haven't yet and you enjoyed this content, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. It really helps with the growth of the channel, and it's also greatly appreciated. That's it for this one. I hope you're doing well. Be safe, take care, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye-bye.